All right. Well, welcome back to another Barry Reacts reaction. And today we got Chevelle. Come down. Got to reach for that picture. That picture's up there that I got to pull down. I just pulled it down. So yeah, we got Chevelle, and we're going to be reacting to Wolves, Love and Light, in parentheses. Ooh. How interesting. They got a new album that just came out a couple days ago, Bright as Blasphemy. And I'm sure it's pretty good. But this will be the first song that I hear off of that album. And I'm curious to hear how it goes. So, without further ado, this is Chevelle, Wolves, Love and Light. I didn't do it that time. You gotta love the old guitar work of Chevelle, man. That's such an iconic sound. Straight heavy riff. Nice try stream. I got the timing way off on that, but that's fine. Okay. Got the guitar crying at me here a little bit. Little build up back to the chorus, I have to assume. Double build up. straight cymbal back there. Is it over now? Okay, it's over now. Y'all heard that go in reverse right there? He tried to Missy Elliott us? Is that who does that? Confirmation. Okay, well, that was Chevelle's Wolves, Love and Light. And good song, good song. I did like, again, I'm not like a big, massive Chevelle fan, so I don't know their whole, whatever, discography, musicography. I don't even know what it's called. I like the use of the fry scream there a couple times. And then he really drew out that last one pretty nicely. Pretty good song. Heavy riffs. We already know that. Just a standard Chevelle sound. And to me, that's I can recognize the guitars. I almost feel like quicker sometimes with them than the voice. But, I mean, his voice is very iconic too, don't get me wrong. But those guitars, to me, in my mind, are the most iconic part of the band. But in all, good song. Now, I'm interested to hear what else could be on this album. I will definitely have to listen to more. But for the first song that I've heard on the album, I give this a 6.6. So we'll throw that on the playlist. That's an official playlist adder. It squeaks in, but I like it. I think the use of the fries in that riff won me over. I don't think that the chorus is that great. And the bridge was kind of okay, because they just like double built twice back into what we already knew. But that's okay. That's a 6.6. That was Chevelle's Wolves, and that's the review.